Have you ever received your first significant raise at work? That moment when your paycheck suddenly feels heavier. You might think, finally, I can breathe, maybe even upgrade my life. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Your first raise could be quietly undermining your financial future. Most people celebrate it, but very few stop to see what it really does to their spending habits, lifestyle, and long-term wealth. And this isn't just an isolated problem. It's happening across the US, the UK, Germany, France, wherever early career salaries meet modern living pressures. Imagine a young professional named Alex, working in a mid-sized city in the US or Europe. Alex just got a 15% raise. On paper, it looks exciting. Before the raise, Alex was making $3,500 a month after taxes. Now it's $4,025. Sounds good, right? More breathing room, maybe a nicer apartment, a better phone, a weekend trip. But Alex doesn't pause to recalculate the real impact. Rent is slightly higher in the new apartment, plus $200. Monthly car payment increases for a slightly newer model, plus $150. Credit card spending creeps up. Lifestyle improvements appear everywhere. Dinners out, streaming subscriptions, occasional shopping splurges. By the time the month ends, the extra $525 is already gone, sometimes even more than gone. The hidden mistake: raises are often treated as bonus money, even when they're permanent. Humans naturally adjust their spending to match their perceived income. Psychologists call this lifestyle inflation. Let's put it into simple math. Pre-raise income, $3,500. Essential expenses, $2,500. Disposable savings, $1,000. After the raise, $4,025. New lifestyle expenses, $3,525. Disposable savings, $500. The raise gave Alex an extra $525, but $500 of it disappeared immediately into upgraded lifestyle. Instead of accelerating wealth, the raise just feels like a slightly bigger paycheck, but no extra financial freedom. Why does this happen so often? Two main reasons. Instant gratification bias. Our brains love immediate rewards. When income increases, the natural reaction is to spend more, not save more. That new gadget, nicer dinners, or weekend trip feels like the right reward. Social comparison. In the age of social media, there's constant pressure to keep up. Suddenly, friends' vacations, new cars, and trendy gadgets set the benchmark for what a raise should buy. It's not laziness, it's hardwired psychology, and combined with easy access to credit cards, EMIs, and buy now, pay later schemes, this can quietly trap someone in a cycle where higher income doesn't translate to higher net worth. Let's look at the long-term impact if Alex doesn't change this pattern. If every future raise is absorbed by lifestyle inflation, wealth growth stays stagnant. Even a 20% raise in 5 years could disappear into slightly upgraded living costs, leaving Alex financially comfortable but not building any real security. Here's the math over 5 years. Year 1 raise plus 500 savings after inflation. Year 2 raise plus 500 savings. Year 3 raise, lifestyle inflation absorbs plus $700. Year 4 raise, lifestyle inflation absorbs plus $1,000. Year 5 raise, lifestyle inflation absorbs plus $1,200. Instead of seeing cumulative savings grow substantially, the raise barely changes the net worth. And if a major life expense appears, like a car repair, health issue, or unexpected move, the financial safety net is still thin. How financially intelligent people think contrast with someone who treats raises differently. They pause and calculate what extra income truly means for their finances. They increase lifestyle slowly, only after ensuring savings goals are secure. They view raises as tools for building long-term freedom, not immediate comfort. For example, instead of upgrading the apartment right after a raise, they might continue living comfortably while directing the extra $525 into investments or an emergency fund. Over 5 to 10 years, this creates compounding wealth rather than compounding expenses. It's not about deprivation, it's about clarity, about making each dollar serve a purpose beyond immediate pleasure, about aligning daily habits with long-term freedom. So, the next time you receive a raise, pause. Don't celebrate too quickly by upgrading everything. Take a moment to map out how that extra money can actually serve your future self. Your first raise doesn't have to be your biggest financial mistake. It can be the first step towards real financial intelligence. The difference isn't how much you earn, it's how wisely you let your income work for you. If this perspective helped you see your finances a little more clearly, consider subscribing for more calm, analytical insights into how money really works. No hype, no magic tricks, just smarter thinking for your money. Soft outro music fades.